Hello guys, I am Kalidas Pada. Welcome to Quality and Welding Metallurgy. Today we are discussing on welding distortion and control part 2. To prevent the distortion, reduce the effective shrinkage force. Reduce the effective shrinkage force. Keep the angle of the weld joint to the barest minimum. Keep the angle of the weld joint 45 degree and less distortion. Minimum angle, less welding, less heat input, hence the less distortion. Reduce effective shrinkage force. Reinforcement requirement 20 mm. Keep reinforcement up to 90 mm. Do not keep root gap more than required. Don't do over welding. Keep fillet weight side 80 mm, oblique 6 mm. Keep the angle of the joint 45 degree. Reduce the effective shrinkage force. Minimize no number of pass larger size of electrode. More number of passes, less number of passes. Less numbers of passes or also less distortion. Place weld near the natural axis. Make shrinkage work for us. Make shrinkage work for us. Pre-cambering or pre-bending in plate. Keep over dimensionals or over bent before welding. Balance shrinkage force with other force. Shrinkage force with other force. Do sequence welding. Backstep method, that is called backstep welding. Back to back clamping for welding. Two identical parts should be tacked back to back together before welding as shown. Back to back welding of saddle. Good working method for welding distortion in our routine work. Tube sheet. Bulges during cell. Tube sheet welding. Welding of cell to tube sheet leads to improper setting of gasket and leakage. Non-uniform projection of tube end of the tube sheet face, controlled by back-to-back welding optimum fillet size. Distortion circumferentially same in cell, caused by longitudinal shrinkage of weld product reduction in diameter around circumferential seam, reduction in cell length, controlled by provide compression spider on both sides of carbon steel. Design weld joint to have minimum weld metal deposit. Use restricted heat input, minimum number of pass. Pick in or pick out. Heavy fillet weld on flange to pipe joint lead to wrapping of flange, causing no machining allowance on flange face thickness. Control back-to-back welding, temporary setup to flange back-to-back showing. Control sinkage provide rigid internal jacks, supports with moon plate, compression spider, maintain optimum weld preparation and fit up to avoid extra weld deposit. Keep excess nozzle projection at setup stage to compensate for shrinkage. The strip tend to how outwards and show distortion bow result due to unequal heating of the metal. During cutting, when hot, the bow is more on cooling and the bow dimension slightly. Finally, the strip never returned to its intended shape. Controlling sinkage provide rigid internal jack support with moon plate compression spider. Maintain optimum weld preparation and fit up to avoid extra weld deposit. Keep excessive nozzle projection at setup stage to compensate for shrinkage. Distortion during acetylene cutting. Strip cutting from plate, the strip tend to bow outward as shown. Distortion bow result due to unequal heating of the metal. During cutting, when hot, the bow is more cooling to bow dimension slightly. Finally, the strip never returned to its intended shape. Direction of the movement for torch. Two torch technique. Mark strip to required width level, 10 mm distance. Move two torch simultaneously carrying out cutting operation. Method 2. Mark the strips with curve allowance on the plate. Drill small hole in curve allowance at the distance 20 mm away from the edge. Start cut from drill hole in curve. The end such that the strip is attached to main plate. Cut the balance strip attached to the plate. Controlling distortion during oscillating cutting. Aim to get unreserved segment from the plate of the size as shown. Specific steps. Mark level 30 mm distance from edge. Start with pierce cut shown instead of the starting from the edge. Follow the path as shown. Reduction in distortion. Less weldage preparation, less welding current as per WPS. Higher base metal thickness, lesser welding process. Do not over weld. More distortion is stainless steel than carbon steel. Laser offset, laser welding, lower distortion. Provide intermittent welding. Place weld near the natural axis. Balancing weld around natural axis. Backstep welding, sequence welding, pre-bending or pre-cambering, back-to-back clamping, double operator welding technique. Thank you.